India, one of the world's fastest growing economies, a nation rising to global prominence. But as India rises, so does the resistance. The question is, why? India is the world's bright economic spot, a land of opportunities with the youngest workforce, an emerging manufacturing hub, and an innovation powerhouse. While other economies are slowing down, India is taking off. Global capital is flowing in, industries are booming, and India is poised to lead. But not everyone wants to see this happen. Recently, allegations of corruption and fraud have been made against some of India's top businesses and institutions. Headlines dominate international media, but is there more to this story? This is not just about one company or one individual. It's a coordinated effort to weaken India's rise. The West knows that a strong, independent India could challenge their dominance. Here's why they might be targeting us. India is becoming a global economic power. India's rise threatens Western economic dominance. By tarnishing India's image, they aim to slow foreign investments and economic growth, preventing India from becoming the next manufacturing hub. With China facing challenges, India is poised to take its place. Negative narratives could discourage global businesses from choosing India, controlling capital flows. India is attracting massive capital inflows. Allegations create fear, pushing investors to keep their money in Western markets, undermining Indian bureaucracy and institutions. By creating distrust in our systems, they weaken governance and make India look unreliable for international partnerships, suppressing India's strategic autonomy. India's balanced diplomacy, working with the West, Russia, and the global South, is a threat to Western hegemony. Targeting our businesses and leaders creates leverage, blocking technological leadership. From semiconductors to AI, India is emerging as a global leader. Allegations disrupt progress, slowing partnerships and innovation. This isn't about justice, it's about maintaining control. By targeting both Indian businesses and bureaucracy, they aim to discredit our systems and weaken public trust, delay our economic transformation and industrial growth, keep India dependent on Western markets' technology and policies. These tactics are not new. They have been used before to weaken rising powers. Now, India is in the crosshairs. But here's what they underestimate. India's resilience, our people, our institutions, our dreams. We've faced challenges before and overcome them. India is not just an economy, it's an idea of independence, growth, and unity. No campaign can stop that. The West may try to slow us down, but we, the people of India, will not falter. Let's strengthen our systems, support our businesses, and protect our future. India is rising, not just for itself, but for the world, and no amount of pressure will dim our light. Why are we being targeted? Because India is ready to lead. Stand with India. Share this message to let the world know the truth.